If you've ever designed something in Figma and then tried to print it, you've probably noticed that the colors don't look the same. That's because Figma works in RGB color mode while printing requires CMYK. In this video, I'll show you a simple and beginner-friendly way to export your Figma designs into CMYK without losing color quality. So let's get started. First, open your design file in Figma and make sure everything is finalized, including fonts, images, and layout. Since Figma does not natively support CMYK export, we need to use a small workaround. Start by selecting the frame or design you want to export. On the right-hand panel, scroll down to the Export section and choose PNG or PDF as your format. If your design is for print, I recommend selecting PDF for better quality. Then click on Export and save the file to your device. Now this is where the important part begins. To convert your exported file into CMYK, you will need a tool that supports CMYK color mode, such as Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Open your exported file in one of these tools. In Photoshop, go to Image, then Mode, and select CMYK Color. In Illustrator, you can go to File, Document Color Mode, and switch to CMYK. Once you do this, you may notice slight color shifts, so take a moment to adjust colors if needed. Another important tip is always check your resolution before exporting. For print, make sure your design is set to at least 300 dpi. You can control this while exporting as a PDF by selecting high-quality print settings. Also, ensure that fonts are embedded or converted to outlines to avoid any printing issues later. If you don't have access to Adobe software, you can also use online converters to change RGB files to CMYK, but keep in mind that results may vary slightly in color accuracy. For professional printing, using dedicated design software is always the safer option. So to quickly summarize, Figma does not directly export in CMYK, but you can export your design as a PDF or PNG, then convert it into CMYK using tools like Photoshop or Illustrator. Always check your resolution and adjust colors after conversion for the best print results. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.